Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make some Mickey and Minnie Mouse cutouts. So I'm going to do them two different ways. The first way I'm just going to do with paper to show you just how easy that is. And then I'm also going to do it with craft foam. Now if you want to work with craft foam, you do need an Explorer or a Maker, and you need the deep point blade. So keep that in mind. That's the only drawback to craft foam. So I've already got my files here. I just hunted these images online and converted them to an SVG. I had to do a little bit of cleanup, but we can see that Minnie Mouse here, we've got 5 layers, and Mr. Mickey Mouse, he is 4 layers. So for my cardstock, I've got all the appropriate colors. For my foam, I couldn't find a flesh colored. So I'm gonna have to do that in white because the closest I could find was yellow, and it doesn't look right, I don't think. I think the yellow's too bright, but we'll see how it looks with the white. And if you want to try this, maybe you'll be able to find more of a flesh colored or a really soft peachy colored foam that you can do that with. But I'm gonna get this cut out and we're gonna put these together. Okay, I've got everything cut out. The foam didn't cut as nicely as I thought it would first time cutting foam. The black backgrounds, they cut a bit nicer, but I'll show you Minnie's face here. So you can see it's like really rough, and I don't know why it did that. I used my Strong Grip mat. That's the mat recommended for that, but obviously the paper has a much cleaner edge. But let's put these together and see what they look like. Okay, all done, all put together. I am not happy at all with the craft foam. I don't like the way it was cut. These images are about 5 inches by 5 inches. So I know you can't cut intricate on the foam, but even their ears and their face, it's still a jagged cut. So yeah, definitely not happy with that. They look okay, but not something I would want to give to someone. The paper ones, on the other hand, they look fantastic. They look like Mickey and Minnie. If I make this again, I'll use a sparkle glitter paper for the red and Minnie's bow, because why not? Perfect. Well, hopefully this video helps you out, especially when it comes to working with foam. It's not the easiest to work with, and I don't really recommend it. But paper-wise, you can't go wrong. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.